Now let's combine both the aspects of traction limit and power limit, and let us have a look at how exactly can we improve the acceleration performance. What are the major factors which can improve the acceleration performance? So firstly, reducing the weight of the vehicle. This is the most common way of improving acceleration. If you reduce the weight of the vehicle by physics, by the laws of physics, by the Newton's second law, for the same force, you can have more acceleration with less mass. So by reducing the weight of the vehicle, you can directly impact the acceleration performance. The next is improving the traction limit of the tire. As we have already seen in the earlier lectures, the traction limit is affected by the properties of the tire. So like the tread, like the air pressure, or like many other factors which can actually improve the adhesion which is caused between the tire and the road interface. So by improving the coefficient of friction and the adhesion, that will improve the traction limit and hence give us better acceleration performance from the start. Next is improving the power and torque characteristics of the engine. So we have already seen that if you improve the power of the engine, that will directly improve the acceleration of the vehicle as well. So if we are able to improve the power output of the engine in the characteristics over the RPM range, then naturally the acceleration of the vehicle will also go up. And finally, improving the transition between the gears. As we have seen already in a manual transmission, when there is a shift between first, second gear, second to third gear, and so on, there is a loss and there is a lag in the acceleration. To reduce that lag, a smooth transition of gears can help, and that can improve the acceleration performance of the vehicle as well. So from this we can say that at low speed, the maximum acceleration of the vehicle, that is at the vehicle start, when the vehicle actually starts from rest, during that time the maximum acceleration is limited by the tire properties, because the tire has to generate that much tractive force to actually pull the vehicle off the starting line and go into a high acceleration. If the tractive force is not being generated, the vehicle will not experience the acceleration. And at high speed, maximum acceleration is limited by the power of the powertrain. So after the vehicle gets moving, the maximum acceleration is limited by the power which is there in the engine.